Yes, I bought a watch from Stuhrling Company. This is an American company, watch company founded in 1999 in New York by Shane Fisher, and who is the CEO. And this company has been named after the master watchmaker Max Stuhrling, who lived in 1800 in Switzerland. This is the unboxing of my personal watch, and I know that a lot of people say on the internet, don't buy watches from Stuhrling, they are Chinese made, it's not Swiss, the quality might not be good, whatever. I did it. I bought one, and as you can see during my unboxing and then later on with the images with more in detail, I can tell you that I'm very, very satisfied. I don't care honestly if it's made in China, because I lived in China quite a long time and I discovered that Chinese quality has improved a lot. Their craftsmanship and their capacity of using materials, making really nice objects with a very nice care, has been improved a lot during the latest years. And here you can have an example about this watch that has a Japanese movement. It is a 40mm dial. It is the Special Reserve 1835 and 3983 automatic skeleton from Stuhrling. I really like this watch, which was offered during the Black Friday with an incredible low price. So you know what? I just bought it. And I am happy about it. Now I have it. As you can see, I'm checking everything about it and I'm not disappointed at all. How much did I pay? Well, I paid 90 euros, okay? I paid 90 euros. And it was of course a special offer for Black Friday. The real price on their website is 170 euros for a skeleton with the Japanese movement, with this nice finish, with a genuine leather black strap and this beautiful case and dial and hands and everything with this really classic touch. To me it was a good thing to do. I said, why not? Let me try. Let's try. I have so many other watches which are much more expensive than this one. Believe me, I have a Rado whose value is over 1,500 euros, so I know what I'm talking about. But I said, let's give a chance, let's try. So it took about 3 weeks to receive this watch by normal mail, okay? And I received this morning, and here we are. I'm very happy. I hope that you enjoy this video, that you probably are tempted to, to have this luxurious type of watch for little price. Why not? Once in a while, I think it's not a sin. You can do it. I did it. I'm very happy about it. And if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, because there are other watch reviews to come. Bye!